Hey folks, Mike Anti with Sailfish Solar. So today we've got really exciting, more taxes. We all love to talk about taxes. We're going to talk about MACRS, the Modified Advanced Cost Recovery Solutions. It's basically accelerated depreciation for solar systems, and it's a huge chunk of the overall cost of the solar system that can be written down. We're going to give you a quick walkthrough of how that would work. Okay, so just to be clear, one more time, we are not tax advisors. We do not give tax advice. This is just our understanding of how you would apply the MACRS, the math behind a MACRS accelerated depreciation to your solar project. So in this example, we have basically there's three variables on top, three assumptions that we've made for this particular math equation. The first is the cost of the solar system. We're going to call it an even $100,000. The second is the eligible tax credit. So we're going to say the standard 30% federal tax credit plus an additional 10% for using domestic content, products that are made here in the United States. And then the third assumption we're going to make is that your corporate tax bracket is 30%. So the first thing we're going to do when we're calculating the total of the MACRS plus the tax credit is we're going to calculate the tax credit itself. So we take $100,000 times 40%. That gives us a $40,000 federal tax credit that is going to be available to you. All right, so we're going to take that number and we're going to hold it onto it for now. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to apply, the rules state that half of the tax credit are going to be subtracted from the total cost of the system to find what you can be eligible for to reduce your overall taxes for the year. And that's where the depreciation part comes in. So you would take half of the tax credit. In this case, half of 40,000 is 20,000. So we would subtract 100,000, or excuse me, we would subtract 20,000 from 100,000, right? And that gives us $80,000. That's on line 2C there. And we would take the new reduced tax liability, and we would multiply the $80,000 times 30%, which is your tax bracket for the corporation, and that would give us $24,000. So what we're saying is $24,000 is the depreciable value, what is able to be depreciated on this solar system. So the total, we would take the $40,000 of eligible tax credit and the $24,000 in accelerated depreciation. We add them together. That gives us $64,000 in tax credit and accelerated depreciation that's available. So our actual net cost on this solar system is $36,000 from the $100,000 that we started at. Pretty good, pretty impressive financing there, and that is why commercial solar is becoming such a hot topic amongst corporations in the United States. All right, that's all for now. Just thought we'd run you through how the accelerated depreciation works. Thanks for stopping by.